Hello children, so today I am going to teach you the cursive letter, how you are going to write the cursive letter. There are the 5 rules that you are going to follow, bacha. Okay, first rule is you should start with tracing. Okay, the first rule is, bacha, you should start with tracing. Then the second is you should start with small letters. Okay, you should not start with the first letter, capital letter. First you should write the small letter, then you should move on to that capital letter. And third is categorize the alphabet. I will teach you how you can categorize the alphabet. And the fifth is move according to your pace. And the fifth rule is, children, invest your time. You have to write each and every day 1 page cursive, and you can tell your mama to observe you. Okay. Now, how you can start cursive? Before writing any letter, the first thing you should do, you should write the cursive pattern. So, you can just take the picture of this cursive pattern, children. This is called the cursive. This is a pattern loop, children. Okay. First, you should write in the 3 lines mein, from blue line till red line. Again, same pattern you should write inside the blue line. Then here, this one without loop, this one. See, just take the picture and keep on doing practice and practice. Then once you become all perfect, then only you can start writing the cursive, bacha. Understood? These pattern you should write each and every day. At least for 7 to 10 days you should practice. Then you should move on to the alphabet group. See, this is the alphabet group. 1 minute, it will come. Yes. Now this is called the clock climber, bacha. What is this is? This is the clock climber. See, this A, then D, then G, then Q, then C. Okay. The second is a kite string. This one, see here, I, U. You can take the picture of this, children. And again you can practice with the clock climber, kite string, loop group, then the hills and the valleys. Okay, children? Then once you become super perfect, then you can start writing the small letters. Okay? First you write the small letters, then you write the capital letters. Okay, children? Now holiday already started. If you will do practice, your UKG, even the first standard, also becomes super easy. Those who was in the UKG, they can still practice. And those who are in LKG, you can start these pattern, children. Okay, thank you so much. Happy holiday. Along with holiday, you can practice this, bacha. Thank you so much. Bye bye.